This is mode PP50, options 50B, 50D, 50E, and 50K, universal tool grinder. Capable of duplicating the functions of various machines and accessories. This grinding center can perform all tool sharpening tasks. Cutting tool positioning system, aiming the arrow at the green slot guarantees setup. The number 4 cam allows for swivel tilt grinding. Fixed grinding for various applications. 3 fluted taps require the number 9 cam. 4 fluted taps require the number 8 cam. Left and right precision feed. Aiming at the green slot for step flute bits, the number 6 cam is required. Adjustment for flute relief angles. For deburring bit grinding, the A2 cam, 50B, is required. For indexed mill grinding, no cam is necessary. Slant edge mill grinding, two-handed operation. Mill cutting edge indexed grinding.